Hello guys, today token is GFORC token. Price is $2.30 and BTC is 1.1 trillion % high. BNB is 9.4 trillion % high. Low price is $0.00139. Price change in 24 hours. That means high price is $2.32. Trading volume in 24 hours around $1,23,000. Total supply is 1 million GFC token. Blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Website is jetfuel.finance. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $100 here, and in $100 we are getting around 43 GFC token. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing. After that we will open its website and click on jetfuel.finance. I have already opened this website. GFORC Finance is yield farming, AMM and lending ecosystem on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. And introduction of GFORC. Jetfuel Finance. Jetfuel Finance is decentralized finance, can be very hard to grasp at first. Our goal is to simplify the complicated process of growing your asset. Jetfuel Finance is a fair launch deflationary yield farming ecosystem on Binance Smart Chain. It is an all-in-one decentralized finance protocol with products such as yield optimization at Jetfuel and tokenomics. Fair launch and distribution supply. Circulating supply is 72,800 token. Max supply is 1,29,000 and transactional tax is 2%. There are currently 7,500 fuel tokens burned forever, 10% of circulating supply. Over the 10% of circulating supply, which would reduce the maximum supply to no more than 1,22,000. Because this project was a fair launch, there were no tokens allocated for the founders or any other entity. The developer team received 2.5% of daily emission and 2.5% fee on an staking jets. The project released about 29% of all flammable fuel in the first 30 days and reduced 2.5% day during the first month and stepped down by 10% per month. 5 months in emission expired, all fuel has formed. Total supply is 72,805. Rewards 0.236. Token burned 7,501. And this is roadmap. Launch fuel farming, staking of jets for fuel and others coin, net giveaways, vaults, launchpad, GeForce introduction, Fortless lending protocol, JetSwap AMM decentralized exchange, introduce of initial staking, Jetfuel accelerator and grant program, Jetfuel on Ethereum. Launch is completed. Fuel farming also completed. Staking is also completed. NFT giveaways completed. Vaults completed. Launchpad completed. GFORS introduction completed. Fortless protocol also completed, and introduction additional stack coin also completed. This token audits by Jetfuel audit, Jetfuel audit report and GFORC audits. We can check audits, Jetfuel audit, Jetfuel vaults audit and GFRS audits. We can download PDF, and this is Twitter account of Jetfuel. Jetfuel is a yield farming lending ecosystem on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Total followers is 84.8k. We can follow Jetfuel Twitter account for latest update. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.